This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas. Namaskar, I'm Ashok Vyas, and the way we lead our life, it is a combination of many factors, but mainly three things. What do you want to do? How do you do that which you want to do? And are you efficient? So these three sides of our life are termed as Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, and Kriya Shakti. And all these are manifested in a very special form of Lord Dattatreya. And Datta Jayanti was observed at Dallas in the presence of Vishwayogi Vishwamji Maharaj, whom some people consider as the incarnation of Lord Dattatreya himself. But let's begin by what is your understanding, definition of India?
It is the doubt not only in your mind, in the minds of so many people, so many Indians also, who are living in other countries, the Indians NRIs. When I happen to listen to my words that India will become the greatest and strongest country by 2020 2025, and it will lead all the countries to bring peace to the world. When I told like this, they wish to be done like that, but they doubt seeing the situation and incidents happening which are happening in India now, political, social, economical, financial, and other reasons also, religious reasons also. But I am sure the situation will be changed, including the political situation. Stable government will be going to be formed after election. A firm, able, active, energetic, most patriotic person will become the Prime Minister of India, and he will make and he will try his level best to make India greatest and strongest, and to bring goodwill and gratitude to India. So it is not only the aim of politicians, some politicians or political leaders, but it is the intention of the spiritual persons and yogis, yogic forces which are living in the mountains covered by ice, Himalayan mountains also. They are now thinking to bring peace to the world, to channel the people correctly on the dharmic path. So the Datta Shakti, the universal power, it is trying and it will try its level best to keep selected persons as the heads of the countries, and through them the unity is coming among the countries, among the nations, among the religions, among the different regions, frontiers, continents, and we will bring peace. No doubt, India will become the greatest and strongest country, equal to United States of America, and United States of America and India will certainly come closer and closer, and may merge also. Merge means not merge and not surrendering. Cooperate with cooperation and coordination between the two countries. They will work for unity among the countries and to bring peace to the world. It is the intention of yogis, according to Sandra Sindhu Veda. According to Sandra Sindhu Veda, it is the sacred, secret and sacred book of, according to Datta Sampradaya Sanadharma. According to Sandra Sindhu Veda, now the Sandhi Yuga is going on. After Sandhi Yuga, the Swarna Yuga is coming by 2020, no doubt at all. By 2020, 2025, terrorism will be going away, and have the youth who are now children, youth, they will become the intellectuals and great leaders in every field, social leaders, political leaders, religious leaders, and leaders in the education field, and they will mold the society to bring peace to the world. No doubt, India will attain Gurusthan just like Sri Krishna, and America like Arjuna, not to do Bharata Yuddha, but to do some good work to bring peace to the world and to unite all the and to keep the earth away from all natural calamities and to bring light to the Mother Earth.
Baba said many things which are real source of hope and enthusiasm, but we have our apprehensions, and I will go to two, three references. The next prime minister's characteristics, the way Baba described, some of us have a name that comes to us, but I don't want this to get to the political side of it. But socially speaking, Baba, you mentioned youth is going to do good things, etc. If you look at the newspaper of India, most of the headlines are not in sync with what you are saying right now. You will come across some young boys and girls committing suicide because they failed to fulfill some of their small desires. Or somebody objected to a 14-year-old girl and stopped her from watching television and she committed suicide. We are also coming across so many news items which are related to rape, somewhere gang rape. And when you read the newspapers and you try to put them at par with what concept Indian culture has given to the world, looks like the current India and the cultural India are kind of poles apart. So, how to bridge this gap?
I don't agree with your mm, words telling that in India the incidents happening now like this about the rapes and gang rapes and suicides, depression in the youth, youth addicted to alcohol and drugs, becoming very depressed and doing themselves to suicide. You are telling. Oh yes, 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 yes. I agree. I too agree. I too agree. These incidents are happening in India. Why? Because we are going away from Sanatana Dharma, practicing the Sanatana Dharma. So the people will realize and understand why they are suffering like this, why the incidents are happening like this, and they change their minds, and they give importance to Bharatiya Sanatana Dharma, the culture, the family life, the family system. Now the family system spoiled, homely atmosphere spoiled, relationship between the members of the family disturbed. So that is the main reason. No control over the youth. Youth are being given so much of liberty. The foreign culture entered into Indian society. That is the main reason for all these incidents happening. In ancient times, the Gurukulas, we trained the students in a very civilized way. Now there are so many institutions, educational institutions, in which the students are being educated and trained properly. They are very patriotic, civilized. Society organizations and Bharati Vidya Bhavan and so many organizations are there. Ammaji organizations, educational organizations in Kerala. Hmm? So many Sri also is through his organization and educational institutions he is doing good service. So many organizations are there now itself. But these are some incidents are happening, but the media and we are magnifying it, and we are worrying a lot. So stop. If anything happened, we have to think how to stop this kind of incident. It should not be repeated. Any incident, just like this incident, should be repeated. So, government should take firm steps. So, the government has to punish the verdicts, the criminals, and it is the duty of the government to protect the youth, to protect the educational institution.
This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas.
Educational institutions, Vidya Alaya means Vidyalayam should be Alayam for Vidya. Alayam means abode for Vidya. But now, an educational institution in India, it is not abode of Vidya, not Vidya, and another unwanted things are happening. So, but, even now, the education in India is very good, and the people, the youth who are educated there, who got the degrees in the educational institutions in India, they are going abroad, and they are shining in their fields, and they are responsible for the growth of the wealth also there in their countries, financial assistance, financial confirmation. They are working very well. They are shining. I have been telling so many times, Datta Shakti, that means the universal power, which was there before the creation of the universe, and which is maintaining the system of the universe, and which is in every atom, which is making everyone to live, to prolong his life. And that is the Shakti. Universal power is the Shakti. In our body itself, it is there. In the heart, there is Hrud Grandhi, that is called Vishnu Grandhi. In that Grandhi, the power of will is there, Ichha Shakti is there, that is Lakshmi. In the brain, the Brahma Grandhi is there, Chit Grandhi, In that Granthi, Saraswati, Jnana Shakti, the power of knowledge is there. In the backbone, Rudra Granthi is there. That is Atma Granthi. In that Granthi, Saraswati, that power of action, Kriya Shakti, Ichha Shakti in the heart, Jnana Shakti in the brain, Kriya Shakti in the backbone. So Lakshmi in the heart, Saraswati in the brain, Durga in the backbone. The power of will is in the heart, power of knowledge is in the brain, power of action is in the backbone. According to science also, it is true. So, if we want to do anything, will has to come from the deepest part of the heart. And according to the will, our mind will plan. And according to this planning, it orders, brain orders, medulla oblongata and brain orders, and backbone works through its nervous system of the nerves. It is the real system of the body in our day-to-day life. Work is going on. So we have to split the Granthi, Frud Granthi, and we have to split the Chit Granthi. We have to split Rudra Granthi. Granthi means knot of the nerves. We have to unfold. So if we enlighten, if we split the three Granthis, and if we enlighten the three powers, and if we mix and match, then we will become Datta himself. Vishnu, Brahma, Shiva, Samaikya Swarupa, Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Samaikya, Vishwa Shakti Swarupa. We are becoming it itself. That is Datta Shakti. If we become a one part and part of Datta Shakti, universal power, we can become powerful and peaceful, and we can make our mind powerful and peaceful, and we can gain the knowledge from the universal mind, and we can be useful to the society, and we can become Vishwaguru, Gurustha. That is the greatness of. Usually I sing this song. Manasa Samcharam Dramkaram Manasa Samcharam Dramkaram Amulagra Sahasrara Samcharam Amulagra Sahasrara Samcharam Manasa Samcharam Hridaya Granthi Vicheditam Hridaya Granthi Vicheditam Brahma Granthi Paripalitam Brahma Granthi Paripalitam Rudra Granthi Pariposhitam Rudra Granthi Pariposhitam Trimurti Swarupam Trigunateetam Trimurti Swarupam Trigunateetam Manasa Samcharam Dramkaram Manasa Samcharam Bindu Bindu Trikona Omkara Bindu Trikona Samyuktam Omkara Bindu Trikona Samyuktam Hrinkara Srinkara Samaikya Swarupam Hrinkara Srinkara Samaikya Swarupam Sakala Chakra Nigamagama Kiranam Sakala Chakra నిగమాగమ కిరణం అష్టసిద్ధిప్రద అష్టలక్ష్మీ స్వరూపం అష్టసిద్ధిప్రద అష్టలక్ష్మీ స్వరూపం మానస సంచారం ద్రాంకారం. This is the essence of spirituality. That we have to enlighten the power which is existing in our body, and that is the Omkara, Akara, Ukara, Makara. That is the Akara, Ukara, Makara means that is Ichha Sakti, Jnana Sakti, Kriya Sakti, Samaikyamanavanti. The Datta Sakti, that is universal power, Vishwa Sakti. So we have to make ourselves powerful and peaceful, and we have to make this earth a heaven. To make the earth a heaven and to bring peace to the world, we must be peaceful and we must be active, energetic. That's why we are practicing Datta Sampradaya. We have to practice the Sampradaya and we have to practice Sanatana Dharma.
The new year is coming. That becomes an opportunity to make new resolutions. So, what would be your blessings and some hints about how individual will may get merged with the universal will?
And happy Christmas and happy New Year to all the viewers of ITV and the people in the world. And in this new year, coming new year, we have to think about the Mother Earth, which is the base for all nations, for all countries, for all languages, for all people. And we have to keep the Mother Earth away from all natural calamities. And we have to bring unity among the religions. There should not be any war in the name of religion, in the name of God, in the name of nation, or in any name. Only peace should be there, and unitedly we have to try to bring peace to the world. Whatever the religion may be, whatever the caste may be, we are all human beings, and with the human values we have to try to bring peace to the world. That is a real gift from the people to the Lord, who is omnipotent and omnipresent. I wish very grand, successful New Year. In this New Year, we should try, not trying. We certainly we will get peace, but we must be aware of natural calamities. We must be very careful.
So, on that note of blessings as well as a kind of warning that we must be careful, so that if we are sensitive to Mother Earth, natural calamities may be averted. And with all these uplifting ideas of how one should grow, and while growing, the aim should be big, and this is the aim of world peace and also peace on earth that is given to us by Vishnu Yogi Vishnu Maharaj. Thank you very much, Baba, for being with us, and lots of
Hearty divine blessings to each and every one. First of all, we are all human beings. Lord has given the life, the body, mind. Body and mind are the gifts given by the Lord to use properly. We have to use our mind and body properly, and we have to make the earth a heaven. I wish you grand success. I bless one and all.
while thanking Vishnu Yogi Vishnu Maharaj, I thank all of you for being with us. This is Ashok Vyas. Namaskar.
This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas.